Sindhi Cultural Day. This is so much special day for us. Every nation have some special days. Sindhi Culture Day is like Eid for us Sindhis. Dear friends, Sindh is the land of Sufis and saints who always preach love, peace, unity and harmony. Biggest heritage of the people of Sindh is their selfless love, while Sindhi Cap and Ajrak manifested their heterogeneous culture. The colorful land of Sindh was free of prejudice, hatred, intolerance and division among its people. The people's popular folk and folk culture is the real culture which is gathered and seen in the folk festival here today. Our culture is the culture of folk wisdom, music, poetry and heritage. Over the centuries people have owned, patronized, celebrated and followed the Sufi poet's message of wisdom in our society. It is established that Sindhi was the first and earliest language of East, in which Quran was translated in the 8th to 9th century. Sindh is also known as Mehran and has been given the title of Babul Islam, the gateway of Islam, and also called the Indus Valley. Historically, the creative Sufi cultural expression has shaped the discourse of Sindh's culture of plural and peaceful coexistence contained in Sufi cultural heritage. It is also defined that the cultural identity of Sindh which has been projected by progressive Sindhi intelligentsia such as G.M. Sayyid, Rasul Waqf Palito, Muhammad Ibrahim Joyo, Sheikh Ayaz, Rashid Bhatti, Ammar Jalil, Ali Baba, Anwar Pirzado and Agha Salim among others. The effective role of the cultural institutions, both formal and informal, and individuals also has tremendous significance in the discourse of cultural identity. There is a need to promote the message of love and peace, adding that people of Sindh have great love and passion for its culture. Dear friends, in the end I will conclude my speech on the point that in the prevailing conditions of terror, violence and fear, creative cultural spaces and alternative voices have assumed greater significance. Celebrating art, culture and folklore now communicates an effective counter method to the spectre of conservatism. Jai Sindh.
To watch more videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon.